Hi, to check battery usage on the Samsung Galaxy S25, just find and open Settings on the phone. From here, scroll till you could see Battery tab, and then scroll a bit more, and here you'll see Battery Usage section. Simply tap it, and now you'll see this like a graph with battery level, estimated battery level, charging, and power saving. Also, you can see battery usage in percents, screen on time, and screen off time. And if you scroll a bit more, you would see percents just near the apps you use during the day. You can switch to any other date from the list just by tapping it like that. And you can tap this info icon to check more details about battery usage and screen on time. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.